Ministry ya Kithomo bagwatanirite na UNESCO nkiama ya Mumbire na kinyangananio Kenya mbondi ya mainjinia ja Kenya na University ya Nairobi ne bagitete gikaro gya ntuku ithatu gya kwaririria mathomo kiri anabari kuringana na UTUIRIA mwana omwari miakene ya rua nethirite akebera mathomo ja sayansi mathabu no bundi untu buria butumite gukaaga ng'ananio kiri waandikani rutere ruru. Anthony Kathenya ni akurikithia rugono ru
ingana na UTUIRIA kirimia kireto kite ni kudhireto kuna kunyia kwa ruto bairetu bara bedhireto bakithomo gya science, technology, engineering na mathabu kire skulu ja iguru ile university kagito kale tule bobu bona netete ruto bairetu bara bajukire mathomo mama bedhireto bagituka otabale barume kolinga na ministry ya kithomo wagiba ruto bairetu kire mathomo mama nibolete thinane ne kire waandikani arume bakijuka gengoge nyinge na iretu kwaga kuonekana.
Data shows that there are fewer female graduates in the area of STEM education. This is not just a Kenyan problem, but it's a global problem.
You'll also find that the disparity exists in employment in those institutions that are dealing with engineering and related sciences. You have more men than the ladies.
Na kire gusensio tububu ministry ya kithomo gwatanite na ikundi bingi bitebia thirikari ta UNESCO, National Gender Equality Commission, body nene engineers ya Kenya amwe na University ya Nairobi ni ithithite musemano ntuko ithatu kenda kwalania na utomagana mana baskuru jes kunkurani kenda kubelithio bataruba mathomo mama wona batonyo university mwaka wa 2026 kagita kala thinane ya rutoba bairetu kula kuthoma mathomo mama egwete kwijina kula gwetikia ati baomba otana barume.
The girls are equally doing well. The few who end up in the School of Engineering, in medicine, in the STEM area are equally performing well. A number are getting first class in their first degree and so on. But I think the whole thing is about stereotypes, notions that girls, this is not meant for girls. There are many naysayers outside there.
They're just as capable as the boys, and so we're here and we'll continue to be here. We'd like to encourage all our partners. We will forever be here to see that we see the change that we need, because I think the mantra is leave nobody behind.
You find that being Africans, we are socialized as girls to believe that we belong to certain places, and so that actually does affect, and it takes a lot of effort, to break those barriers. But with this intervention of mentorship, we have actually seen a lot of transformation.
The mentorship is supposed to encourage girls to take that pathway so that we may have more engineers, more mathematicians, people in technology girls performing those jobs.
Ajari na bobandi yao bakiola gutithiria na bobola barenkiomba kenda gutigara ni bakuthoma mathomo mama.
They should also encourage their children to pursue these courses and provide for them maybe whatever other necessary materials that they require.
Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.